Namaste from this side to that. Today we are diving into the art of Swiss design as we craft a poster for the Innovation Summit 2024, a celebration of sustainability innovation in the plant sector. I'll walk you through not just the visual elements, but the decision-making process behind each choice. Now let's jump into the creative process. Our first stop on Swiss design journey is typography. We are going to use clean sans serif font as our companions here. I have decided to use Arial Black and Avenir as my font types. And for this poster, we are going to use vertical grid layout. Typography plays a very important role in Swiss design, as we all know. So we are going to play around with typography in order to create this poster. The brief says that the Innovation Summit is about pushing the boundaries. So let's go ahead and have a very broad N that supports that idea. We are going to flip the other N to create the visual interest. Let's follow the same idea for O. Let's expand O as well. Using the smooth tool, let's smooth the curves of the O so that it looks nice. But in this case, let's add the idea that for innovation, we start small, but over time, the research leads us to new insights. So the starting of O is small, but towards the end, it expands. I'm also breaking down the word innovation into 2 lines. So inno comes in first line, innovation goes to the second line. Since we are following the vertical grid layout for this one, let's now balance the typography. O needs to be aligned with one another, and we are also going to flip the O in order to balance the layout. Apart from that, I think following the slant of A in T will help us in making these alphabets more cohesive. So let's do that. Next, I'm going to extend the ends of the 2 ends, which I'm going to use as my pillars for creating the typography hierarchy in the poster. Plus the V is also looking a bit odd. It's not complementing the overall typography right now. So why not we create V from N? Next, going to work on the kerning, and we are going to make the spacing in between all the alphabets equal to what is there in between I and N. Now we have made sure that innovation is bold. It's time to add the next text that we want our audience to look at, which is Summit 24. Now let's add the imagery. So as per the Swiss design principles, we need to add elements that are supportive and functional. So Swiss design is not about decoration, it's about functionality. Since the poster is about sustainability in plant innovation, I have used this sapling image that I want to add to my poster to give the audience the idea that we are talking about the plant innovation and sustainability in this summit. And let's leverage the typography and make the elements talk to one another by using the typography as base for our image edition. And we are going to use the extensions of N that we have created as pillars to create that hierarchy in typography. We are also going to use a regular font type for Summit 24. Now let's color the innovation as green because I want to make that as the entry point for the audience, and let's keep the rest of the text as white. It's time to add the other text, and we need to create hierarchy with the text that we are adding. So first text is innovation that I want the audience to see. Next, I want them to look at Summit 2024, and then I want them to have the information like what the summit is about. So let's keep explore the future of sustainable plant innovation text as the next big text, and I'm keeping that at 38 points. Then I want to add the additional information about the summit, like what the panel discussion is about, who are the partners, and other information, which I am going to add below explore the future of sustainable plant innovation text. Once that's done, I want the audience to know about the date, venue, and how they can register. And that information I'm placing on the right side of the top pillar that I have created. I'm also putting the date, venue, and registration font in green because I want to highlight that so that the audience can easily consume that information and to ensure that that doesn't get merged with the information that we have towards the bottom. But the formatting, I'm keeping the formatting same as what I have used for the font that we have added towards the bottom. Date, time, venue, and registration details are important information and they still aren't standing out enough in the design. Let's use geometric shapes to make them stand out. Let's add a gray rectangle behind this information so that it attracts the audience attention. So our poster is now ready. The Innovation Summit 2024 is all about the celebration of sustainability innovation in the plant sector and pushing the boundaries. And our design reflects that spirit. From concepts to execution, design principles can transform a vision into a visually striking reality. Before wrapping up, let's look into the key Swiss style principles that we have used in designing our poster. First up is typography. We have used clean sans serif fonts as our companions. Let's talk about the grid system that we have used for our poster, which is the vertical grid system. I haven't added the vertical lines to showcase the grid system that we are using because I was already familiar about that and I knew what I was doing. But in case you are struggling on how to play around with the grid system, feel free to add the lines to guide you visually throughout your designing process. In this video, we have used it as an invisible hand that guides our design. A structured layout with a strict grid ensures order and clarity. It's the backbone that supports the visual narrative. Third principle is color palette. Swiss design loves minimalism, and our color palette follows suit. Black, white, and green as the accent color dance together. It's about high contrast, a visual feast that grabs attention without overwhelming. Fourth, we have used imagery. It's not about visuals, it's about telling a story that aligns seamlessly with the summit's theme. Fifth principle that we have used is information hierarchy. Information hierarchy is crucial. Using Swiss typography principles, we ensure that essential details from event's name to date and venue are crystal clear. It's not just about what we say, it's about how we say it. Next principle that we will be talking about is negative space, because embracing the negative space is like the breath of our design. Each element gets its moment to shine. It's the art of less, making every visual element count, which is visible in our poster. We have used geometric shapes as a touch of visual interest. Strategically placed rectangular box towards the top direct the viewer's eye to the design narrative. Last, simplicity. Finally, simplicity reigns supreme. Every element in our design serves a purpose. It's the Swiss way, where less is more and every visual choice has a meaningful impact. And with that, we have incorporated simplicity and functionality in our poster. The overall poster is a sum of typography, grid system, color palette, imagery, information hierarchy, negative space, geometric shapes, simplicity, and functionality. I hope you liked this video and would have learned something from this creative process. Feel free to like and subscribe my channel and share your thoughts and views about the video or anything that you have learned by spending your time with me. Hasta la vista, cheerum.